Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're playing Don't Press the Button. Well, I guess the description is you're in the middle of nowhere with a button. Don't press that button though. Who knows what can happen. And there's talking about support updates and stuff. I guess there's 54 ages. Here's all the developers. Holy crap, this game gets a lot of players. That's kind of impressive. But anyways, let's just get into the game. I think I've played this once before. But I don't think I played this version. Well, there's already memes as we get in the game. That's a fresh start. Just press the button. Oh. Gotta push this bomb out. Let's hit it. Got it. We hit the button. This. Noob. Wait, no, they kill me. I was just trying to show off, but they just kill me. Good fight. Should win this time. Good at sword fighting. Yeah, I'm winning. I did sword fighting in Roblox for a while. Banana. And just hit the button. Oh no. Wait, we hit it. Now what? What? Oh yeah, these games. I just hope this audio's not copyrighted. I don't think it is, but who knows? Wait, I don't know. I built a game like this once before, kind of using the same build. I made if you know the Smile Room, that SCP, I made a game off of it. Got it. I made a game, but it was kind of the same thing. Speedrun. How fast we are. Which is not even that fast. Some of the games I've owned, I have admin in, so I can go 10 times the speed. It's kind of useless. Oh, what? I didn't know what happened. Jeez, no. Oh, I wanted to see that. What? Huh. That's strange. I just hit the button when we're dead. We want to keep it on. Keep the bomb on. Some players are fighting to keep it on. I killed everyone. I got this noob just laying on the floor. Just hit it. Hit it. No, Baldy. You should do well in school. Otherwise, you end up like these people. Hey, he's glitched. I don't even get hurt by him. Oh yeah, it's been slap audio. Hey, he just blew up. What? No, I thought I was supposed to push it off like the one round. Wait to keep dodging these bombs. What corner? Who's gonna wait? One person dies. It's gotta be this one. Oh, they all just died. Wait, if I can get. We can't jump off the heads. It sucks. Well, then again, there was that roof, so I couldn't get out. How long did it last? Well, I guess it was only 3 rounds. Press it. Press the button. Okay, who's that? Oh. Push it out. Now these noobs got it. They're all fighting over it. Just push it up. Okay, we saved the game. Oh, I want to push it. Wait, what? Oh, this is cool. Wait, dead end. It's playing Mario music. Okay, let's find people. I'm like, being dead end, that's a dead end. Find someone. Who they are? Got someone. Just die. I'm all far away. And I can't get anyone else. Because there's all over there. Okay, I'm gonna win this again. Wait, I don't have a sword. Come on. I have to survive. See, I don't have a sword. Look at that. It's not fair. Wait, what if I jump down there? Okay, I won. I didn't see. You saw that? I didn't get the sword. Did we hit the button? This should be easy. You should use maze. This can be easy. What's dead end? Oh no, just not. This isn't easy. I'm wrong. You need enough of dead end. I should got a good look of the maze before I started. Oh man. No time to waste. Enough of dead end. Also, this guy keeps following me. He thinks I know the way out. Gotta take this way already. Maybe not. Okay, let's hope this is the way out. Looks like we're close here. Unless we're going in circles. This is so confusing. This guy wants up following me. Just trying to lose him. Okay, we lost him. We're probably gonna die. It disappears. I don't think anyone actually won it. Well, I think 2 people actually did. Boulders? No. I had like a second to move because I respawned. That's up there. Anyways, I think that'll be it for this video. So yeah, I'll leave a link to this game in the description. And make sure, if you haven't already, like and subscribe. So yeah, I'll see you on the next video. Bye.